Hey guys, welcome back to my channel Tales and Pixels again. And today we are going from Barcelona Sants to Madrid Atocha Station. Look at the train, how neat and clean it is, and look at the dustbin, how fancy it is. So this is a high-speed train. As you can see, it goes up to 219 km per hour. I think it goes up to 300 km per hour if I am not wrong. And look at the beautiful view which is along the way. And then it was some coffee time. I enjoyed my coffee and this journey. It was so peaceful. It takes around 2 hours and 45 minutes to reach from Barcelona to Madrid. And we have just arrived at the Madrid Atocha station. Look how beautiful it is. I had to record it and just enjoy the beautiful view before we reach in the city. And here we are at Madrid. Thank you for watching. And don't forget to subscribe for the next episode.